Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P89F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell P89F won't hold a charge, you're likely experiencing a common battery issue. This can happen due to age, excessive usage, or even environmental factors. If you don't address this problem, your device may become unusable, leaving you unable to work or connect when you need it the most. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a replacement battery compatible with the Dell P89F, and some tweezers. First, let's safely open the device. Begin by ensuring the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic prying tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care to avoid damaging any clips. Once the cover is off, you will see the battery clearly. The component that usually fails is the battery itself, which is easily identifiable as it is the largest component in the rear section. To extract the old battery, locate the screws securing it in place, typically 3 or 4 Phillips screws. Use the screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, ensuring you keep them safe for reassembly. Gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard, being cautious not to pull too hard as this may damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have removed the old battery, take your new replacement battery and carefully connect the cable to the motherboard. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Next, align the battery in its compartment and replace the screws you removed earlier, applying just the right amount of pressure to secure it without over-tightening. After this, replace the back cover of the device, ensuring all clips are properly aligned and pressed into place. To verify that everything works, power on your Dell P89F and check if it charges correctly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent similar issues in the future, make sure to charge your device correctly and avoid letting the battery drain completely too often. Additionally, consider keeping your laptop in a cool, dry environment to prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.